Hi and welcome to this auto-emotional presentation for a rather beastly Infiniti QX56. This is a 2007 model, and as you can see, presented in gleaming black metallic, fully loaded. These Infinitis came with such a host of goodies: auto, Xenon LED headlights, LED rear taillights as well, Distronic cruise control, power folding mirrors, electric seats, electric windows, electric sunroof. It really does have a host of goodies on this thing. This vehicle comes with two original keys, both exactly the same, remote central locking. They also open the rear tailgate as well. You can see the oversized chrome alloys in brilliant condition, chrome caps for the door handles, the door guards. It's also got the running guards as well. Beautiful cream leather interior, and considering it's a 2007, it's in very good condition. The only thing to mention is discoloration on the steering control buttons and a few on the audio controls, but apart from that, you can see full plastic throughout the vehicle, electric memory seats, electric mirrors and windows, dimmer for the instrument cluster. You can even electrically adjust the pedals there. You can see they move backwards and forwards. Turn your parking sensors off. You can lift the rear tailgate as well. Electric steering adjustment there as well. As you can see, power steering, SRS airbags throughout this vehicle. The nice thing about this is, of course, you've got the armrest down, you've got the captain's chairs. The leather's in fantastic condition. It really is. Again, all the electrics fully work. Electric lumbar support there. Such a nice car. Electric sunroof as well, tilt and slide, fully tinted. Just a brilliant family vehicle, and really gives a sumptuous ride when you're on the roads. Again, SRS airbags actually everywhere, and this has also got the middle captain's chairs, which are so much more nicer than the middle rows. You've also got heated seats there as well in the middle row. Huge space, cubby hole there as well. You've got the rear pull down screen. It's not operational at the moment, can potentially be repaired or replaced. AC throughout this monster of a car is ice cold because it's a 5.6, so the engine just needs no effort to get going. Again, fully adjustable, as you can see there, just off a little handle. Infiniti logos throughout. Again, alloys, wheels, tires in such good condition. It's already got the RTA passing done, so it's just a matter of registration. Again, two original keys, as mentioned. Press and hold the tailgate button, and you can see there, third high level brake light, roof wash wiper, factory rear camera, all those plastic covers throughout the vehicle, which has helped maintain it in such brilliant condition. 60/40 folding third row seats as well, so really gets good use of space, and you've still got storage under here. Original tools, warning triangle, really just in such good condition. You can see that cover actually attaches to the Velcro up there, so it makes for a nice footrest in case you want to put those middle rows down and lounge in the rear. You've also got the power outlet there as well. Rear parking sensors, as you can see. Simple press of the button and the rear tailgate goes down as well. And again, as mentioned, the rear lights are all LEDs, original chrome exhaust, good tires, RTA passing is in hand. So even though it's so huge on the inside, driving it feels pretty nimble considering what the car is and the size of this thing as well, you know. And it's got a lot of ancillaries and toys going on as well. The grab handles there to make it easier to come in and out. Again, heated mirrors there as well. You can see the little icon, so in case of those winter months as well, you can get those glass nice and clear for you as well. And the reason this car's in such good condition, man, absolutely incredible. Credit to the owner, he's kept all the paperwork. There's probably 100,000 dirhams worth of bills here. Honestly, there is bills upon bills upon bills. Nissan. batteries, tires, everything you can see. He's kept in such good condition. You've also got all the Infiniti handbooks, audio system handbook, infotainment galore. Again, tons and tons of paperwork. Let's put that back so we don't misplace it for the lucky new owner. And digital compass, self-dimming rear mirror, brand new car mats as well. Again, just a beast of a car. So let's jump in and start this thing. Always a pleasure to jump in. And again, you've got the memory controls for whomsoever is driving the car at the time. So also one thing to always look out for whenever you're buying a car, all the lights should come on initially on the dashboard. The only ones that probably won't go out are your seatbelt if you're not wearing it, because obviously I'm not. Again, all electrics work. We're not going to do that right now because obviously the car's just been validated. We don't want water stains everywhere. The power folding mirror on the passenger side doesn't work. That's the only electronic gremlin we've been able to source on this vehicle. It is just brilliant. Power steering, cruise control works totally fine. You've got that wood finish there as well. Again, as mentioned, you can adjust the pedals, open the rear tailgate, switch off your parking sensors, adjust the headlights, which is actually quite handy in this, so you don't want to blind your oncoming trolleys. Depending on the load of the vehicle, you can also dim the instrument cluster lighting there for the evening time. Auto headlights as well. Wash wipers, again, we're not going to utilize in perfect condition. You've got the digital compass on the mirror there as well. And again, sunroof works totally fine. The tilt and the open absolutely perfectly. We don't want to do that right now so we don't get any water stains on the vehicle. You've got a huge cubby hole here, and of course you've got the DVD that plays for the rear monitor. That's inoperable at the moment, may be able to be repaired or replaced. That's something to note. Apart from that, plastic trim is just missing, which is such a common thing on these Infinitis and Armadas. Very easy to find. Heated front seats, 2 steps, and of course you've got your traction control there, the classic Infiniti oval clock, and ice cold AC. As mentioned, it's very low at the moment and it's still putting out brilliant AC. Now, another thing to mention on this is it's got the BOSE system. We can't play anything because of copyright. You will be shocked at how good the sound system on this car is. Remember, our sister company is, of course, Audio Direct. We know a thing or two about car stereos, but the original BOSE system in this is absolutely brilliant. And this has got a couple of different options as well to set up how you like it, trip computer, so on and so forth. So all in all, just an absolutely brilliant vehicle, and it's going to make someone a very proud owner. 5.6 litre V8. This thing is a monster. 2 original keys, about 100,000 dirhams worth of bills as well. Auto headlights. What else is there to mention apart from all the beautiful Infiniti badging all the way around? Gleaming black metallic. The car is ready to be sold. It's got an RTA pass certificate with it currently, so whomsoever is a lucky owner to come and pick this up, I think they're going to take it on the spot. Thanks a lot for watching this 2007 Infiniti QX56 presentation by Auto Emotional.